Presenting Pretty Lanisha's channel here, Fashion Beauty. Hey lovelies, I'm doing a simple, really easy feed and braid tutorial into a ponytail. Now it's real simple. I know my angles are not the best, so I'm going to explain a little bit of what I'm doing right now in the beginning. So for the most part, all you have to do is part the hair from ear to ear. So you're doing a part straight across from ear to ear. As you see, the part starts behind the ear and it's gonna end behind the other ear. So then you take you part a tiny little bit of hair to cornrow going up. You do not have to bring that part all the way to the center. You could leave the part like from the eyebrow going straight back to the part going from ear to ear, as you can see. And then you make a slanted part. She didn't really want any baby hair. She wanted this style to last for her vacation, so we didn't do too much baby hair going on. I tried to braid as close as I could to the front of her hairline. Now you part the hair in a slant. So I parted her hair starting from where her eyebrow ends, going straight back to that ear to ear part. And you'll do that to the middle. You part it from where the arch of her eyebrow is, or whoever's head you're working on, to the back. That part goes straight back. It does not need to be in a slant. That part can go straight back, and you got your other big feet in braid. Then you part your little skinny braid, and you continue the process. For the front of her hair, she has 5 big feet in braids. For the back, she has 4 big feet in braids, and I think she has 4 skinny feet in braids in the front. So there you go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you picked something up from it, and I hope it's not going too fast. And let me explain myself for the reason why I make my tutorials fast. One, I don't like watching long tutorials, so I don't make long tutorials. I like tutorials that get straight to the point. I like videos in general that get straight to the point, not even tutorials. So I make sure my videos get straight to the point. Me, I don't like to watch somebody braid one cornrow, and I done sat there for 2 minutes watching them braid that one cornrow. I cannot take that. I don't like it. I end up using the feature on YouTube in the settings where I can speed up the video. That's what I do. So of course that's how I make my videos, because that's what I'm used to, that's what I like, and that's what I'm comfortable with. So when I rewatch my tutorials, I'm like, okay, this is fine, this is a great speed, you should be able to pick something up. And then a lot of times, a lot of my tutorials is a little repetitive. I did box braids in so many tutorials. I did twist in so many tutorials. I did parting in so many tutorials. So I feel like if you've been with me for a while, you should be able to pick up on what I'm doing. Now for this tutorial, which I felt like I didn't need to, I slowed it down a little bit just to see how y'all would like it, if it's any better. It's 14 minutes. I feel like that's extremely too long for a feed and braid tutorial, but I tried not to speed it up. I mean, I really tried my best, but that's how I feel on the matter. So get to using that feature in the settings to slow down the video, because it's really good. It's a great feature. Plus, sometimes if you miss something, you could go back, you could slow it down. Even when somebody is doing something, like I didn't speed this video up to the max like I usually do, and to me I still don't feel like it's speeded up to the max. Like on my settings, I use iMovie. I only use it speed up 4. If anybody that does tutorials or editing, they know what I'm talking about. In the speed, I click on 4x. That's it. Like for certain clips, I don't even use 8x. Like I use 4. That's it. So I don't understand how it's too fast for certain people. But if anybody did not catch on to what I was doing in the puzzle part, Follow me on Instagram. Go to my Instagram. I've been on it more frequently lately. Go to my Instagram. I'll put up a video to show you exactly how I did the parts, how I did the twist. I already have a twisting Havana twist tutorial. That's the same way I did her twist. So I did not feel like I had to slow it down. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying this video. Again, I have many videos on me adding in here. So I did not feel like I had to slow this down. I done add in here in this video many different times. So I hope you catch on for those that haven't watched my other videos. And thank you for watching, guys. Yes, thank you, lovelies, for staying with me, for sticking with me, for watching my videos. Make sure you share, like, and comment below. Subscribe for new videos, and don't be shy to giving suggestions of what you would like to see. I always tell people I kind of do this for fun. I do this for me, so I upload what I want to upload. I really don't upload what other people want me to upload, because then it kind of like takes the joy out of doing it, because so many people want so many different things and you're only human, so it's not possible to make everyone happy. But I do try because I do love doing hair. That is why I'm licensed in doing hair, because it's a passion. I love doing it. I like to improve. I like to stay in on what's in when it comes to hair. That's why I'm trying to learn how to do this baby hair thing, because I'm not a fan of baby hair. I don't got baby hair, so I don't do baby hair, but baby hair is in. So I'm trying to learn that and do my best on that. So anyways, guys, enjoy this tutorial, or the video, whichever one. If y'all want to call it a tutorial, cool. Anyways, enjoy. We use 6 packs of braiding hair, KANEKALON braiding hair, and the music again is by Youngspadez. It's Guitar Work Part 2. Check out his SoundCloud. His links will be below, so check him out. Again, this is copyrighted music, so you have to ask permission before you use his music. But anyway, check his links out below. I hope you enjoy. Her hair is relaxed and she has nice thick hair, as you can see. Love working in her hair. I let her hold a piece of braiding hair and I braided it up into one single braiding hair. I used a rubber band to attach it to a feed-in braid, and I'm just going to wrap it around and sew it up. She is so beautiful, isn't she? Mm-hmm. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the info bar for more information. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out my previous and next videos. Until next time, lovelies, later.